Okay, so we got the one window in there. So I want you to put two windows on each side here. Put another one here, and two more on this side. Uh, and then we're going to do a chimney right here. All right. Okay, now you notice that I've added four windows to the house. So two on each side, and I have a door in the front. Now we're going to draw a chimney in the back. So we're going to look down on the floor, and we're going to draw. Let's draw it outside of the house, not touching, and then we will move the fireplace or the chimney when we're done. So draw a rectangle like this on the ground, and then push it up like this, and then let's draw two lines with the pencil or the line tool. A line here and a line here, and select those lines, select that line, and then move it up with the move tool. Do not use the push pull. We're using the move tool. Okay, select the line with the selection tool, and then use the move tool to move the line up. Okay, like that. Let's see if it's leveled. I'm going to use my orbit tool if I can get out of it. It won't let me get out of. Oh, I'm. Hello. There. Okay, so it looks level to me. Looks fine. Looks fine. So I'm gonna leave it. Maybe the line. I think the line maybe I can move it to the right a little bit. So I'm gonna click on it to select it. Use the move tool to move it to the right a little. No, maybe not. It's fine. Okay. Now I'm gonna use the push pull to push the top of the chimney like that. I'm going to push a little higher with the push pull right there, right above the roof line. You want to be upside. You want to be a little higher than the roof because in case there's a little fire, you don't want to set the roof on fire. Okay. Now we're going to draw an opening in the chimney. So with on the push pull, there's an offset tool. Click on the offset tool. Offset this to like an opening like that, and then with the push pull, push it down like that, and then you got yourself a chimney like that. Now we're going to move the chimney right behind the house, and it looks like we're lined up pretty good. I think does it look centered? Maybe it's not centered. Not a little bit centered. So we're going to move it a little bit to the left and back. All right, so what I'm going to do is with the selection tool, I'm going to click 3 times on the chimney. 1, 2, 3. Selects the entire chimney. And then with the move tool, I'm going to grab this corner and snap it to the back of the house right here. And before let me see if it looks centered. You know what? It's close enough. I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it the way it is. And deselect, clicking off. There it is. Now it tends to, the thing is that it tends to attach itself to the house. So if you try to move it, it's going to rip the house apart. Okay, so that's it.